Hello guys, and this is the second video, and my name is Yusuf, and we're going to start the second video. Now, what we're doing for this video today is we're going to do something really cool, and we're gonna generate we're gonna make an informational text on anything. So go ahead, Google Khan Academy. So you're gonna go over here, click Google Khan Academy like this. You Google it, and then it's gonna take you to this page. If you write Khan Academy and you see this, just ignore this. Literally, I don't know why it's up there. Well, then you're gonna do this Khan Academy free online courses and lessons and practice. You click that, and it's not gonna take you to what I have over here. Well, because it's gonna like say log into khanmigo, log into khanmigo. Well, you click log in, make your own thing, and then these stuff pop up. It's called khanmigo tools. So you go over here, also make an account too. So then you click on informational text as one of them. You go college, topic, whatever topic. I'm gonna do math. College level math. And text length 750 words. Start. I'm gonna start generating for you this. Now once it finishes generating, just delete this part. Note where it says note, and then scroll up, delete where it says not up. Dang it. I'm gonna go to over here, start taking all of this out of here. And I take out also the informational text with the hyphen. And then you're gonna write college level, which you guys, if you're gonna do this, write college level. Like this. If you did exactly what I did, then you're gonna do this. Now, what I'm gonna do is export to you're gonna copy and paste all of this. So you're gonna highlight all of this and go Control C, copy and paste, make a new tab, and then go to Microsoft 365, which I already have over here. Let's just go to class. Microsoft 365. You go over here, log in. So just X out the informational text. Go to a Word document. So go ahead and create. Or actually, go to there, the 9 of them, 9 dots. You click Word. You're gonna make your own Word. So you're gonna create new blank document. So it's gonna take you to your new document. Okay. So once it loads fully, you click Control V, which is pasting. And then there you go. It has pasted everything for you. Now, if you all want this to be in one page, you're gonna have to do 1. Font size 1. I don't know really what the smallest font though is, but I actually forgot to Google. So if you want to figure out how to, this is, no, hold on, let's change this. Let's change it to no spacing. No, not no spacing. Where's the smallest one? Let's do emphasis. And then the font name, office fonts, find the smallest font. Eight. Now you got it in 2 pages. Also, and then when you go to print, if you go to print and you want to print this out, file, print, bring your PDF to print. Now, if you want this in 1 page, go to more settings, print on both sides, full wall edge. Well, actually, we don't want that. We want the font to be 10. Oh wait, that's too small. We want the font to be 50. I haven't did this yet. Do 70. Font scale. It's gonna be 80. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 96. Alright, I didn't realize. So 80. Wait, just print on both sides and then make it 96 font. Print on both sides and then you can print well. But I'm not printing. I'll print front and back. If you do that, 2-sided. And that's how you can make a paper that's about an informational text. That's all you gotta do. Also, you can just see and it's gonna save, I think. Hopefully it should save. There you go. It's saved. It's called document. 3 minutes ago. Last modified 3 minutes ago. You edit this. And so, okay, gonna meet too. So then that's what you're gonna do, and then you have it saved, and that's all for today. That is the thing I want to show you guys. It was really cool. Now you can do this at any time. Also, I'm gonna put a link for the instructions step by step on how to do it. It's gonna take me a bit to make the paper and then upload it to the description. But like and subscribe, please. This was a really hard video to make, and so I really tried my best. And this is the best quality I can do. And then I'm gonna just put the steps down in the descriptions also. Like and subscribe, And bye guys. See you next video.